Also, then, Tadering also Zali Shugden in Modikindere. Then Zali Shugden said, then Zambali take all in Aranso, Zambali take all a Jagaja the Judunalia, and Doji should thank you him, but just a thing to Ane Coco did the Tunitari, Aranso Italy come Jeremiah Chusona. Then Zali Shugden in Bosunze Shuiza, on Tomodia, Zali Yonsonebe, then Peripin the Somalia. Sounditaki del Shujida, then a message in Aranzo, Zambuli de Gala, Jacoja the Judin in Nebe, Dojo Pedro Yonzo, Tarik Nimante, Zali Shuden in Mos Sunzi Shuya Vinza, Somalia, Kubarani, Yero Shuden Sobagamintone, Sounditaki del Hoji.
So today, as it is the International Day of Dorje Shugden, there are in this world people following the practice of Dorje Shugden, relying on this protector in 117 countries in this world. And in many different countries today, everyone is doing this celebration. So I would like first of all to make all my greetings and my best wishes to all those that are following this celebration today in all the different countries of the world, and especially also to all the Tibetans and all other Vajra brothers and sisters, practitioners that are celebrating together today.
All Tadini, Tariteva, Tando Dodo, the Tangaranso, Zambuli Tegale, Teni, Jayon Shuden, Duchess, International Doji Shuden Days. Tadi, Sama Sunzi Shoshimbare, just a thing to Tadi Toma, the country's Chumbares, that's a thing in some, the number of Momuchi, the paper in some, didn't have it to any. Aranzi Kanjin Ramachedam, Lama Michel Manchin, the Miss and Rocha de Ore, any day in Zangaranso, Gogo did the scene, the Toma Kitchen, the country's join me, answer Euro no Lola. And Zambuli take on the shooting, take a Mombo Yore, then they did to Lachi Sansi shaking Mombo join Ejere, in Aranzo, such a Tisania, the Euro Telia, any Euro shooting Sobaks and Amindu, Tapike, Aranzo Zali shooting image go to see it, Kadachun we make it. The Lama Gadi. Transus and Amindu, Raw number Hindilia, Tenichi, Picking Hundreds and Amindu, Sikachi Shuais.
So I would like to share with you a few words about how this day, which is the Dorje Shugden International Day, has been initially established. This is something that have started here in Europe, and there is a very special connection with Lama Ganchen Rinpoche, with Lama Misha Rinpoche. And as we gather here today to celebrate in Italy, there is a very special connection with this day of celebration. And sure, there were many people around the world. There are practitioners of Dorje Shugden in different countries and places that have been thinking about different ideas. But this International Day started within us here in Europe with the European Dorje Shugden Society. So I would like to share a few words with you about this.
Oh, 아니 다 커투바텐도 도도랍도 쇼샤비나 아니 저저 중앙 공신을 치담 라마 미셔를 치니 달 로몽봉네 되는 알아서 더바치 덴바라드 치네 이라데 가디네 랭기 모치페 바카투들이야 당가서 집에 리주라바치 고도스 대야 지 유로지부 많이 반장리 용서 네베 되네 슈덴 파스는 민도 다 doji pinto yonzo chibegin rinzu rabchi gogu dusi chini ta lo mombo ngani teni kalo langte mombo nam chini ta tendo dodo teni lama mishi rima chini tam ani kanshi rima chini zo chibegi kaddi yini ten mombo teni ngaronsan zangli shuden nimasi gogu dusi ta di inji mini gogu dusi ne sansu sheya kalo langte naya shubjaya di toni teni nganso nidun chabje la jido tombo na ya peke Italy liya ngaran karsa Nepal liya ngaronso shuden tenke soma peke sochen shub soborwa kub didi ani geshe kunju jensen la sondor peyore ta mambuchi kaku gajire teni nganso Europe shuden soba ngani gen tashi la peyore teni radin chuni gen onze la peyore gen kunju jensen liya nganso Europe shuden soba minto ne pero chisan shua jobor kub didi peyile ta changdu de geshe bu inzang 제서 상도 되는 게실라 페네 되는 장리 슈데 님스 고고도 다디 라마 간제르면 신다 라마 미셰르면 신인 거네 되니 상수 되는 때도 칼라나 되는도 곰바 되는 셰고도 될 거버 진짜 되는 노스신 되네 답게 베일에 토마 당가서 유로퀴데 상수 되게 토마데 게시 근주 제스 샤디오레스
So it was many years ago. As I came here to Italy for some particular Dharma event, and then as I was together with Drubon Lama Kanche Rinpoche and together with Lama Misha Rinpoche, they both told me again and again in this occasion and in other occasions later that we really needed to have one day to celebrate our lineage, to unite all of us as Vajra brothers and sisters, to have one specific day for that. So in 2018, there was the international gathering of Dorje Shugden practitioners in Nepal. And at the time, the European Dorje Shugden Society made a request for Geshe Kuncho Gyaltsen to come specially to Nepal, and Geshe-la came. So in that occasion, Geshe-la, on the behalf of the European Dorje Shugden Society, made the statement requesting that as it was again and again reminded and requested by Drubon Kanche Rinpoche and Lama Misha Rinpoche, the need to have one day internationally to celebrate our lineage and our protector. And so that was brought up in that meeting at that moment.
Oh yeah, that deni indi chesa deni geshe-la peke pene sansu ten batang deni doju pinjo mombuji pene peke choshin ka kole tama tajuti 다 된도 도도 아니 장리 슈데 니모세데 야분도 마음에 그 타제 좋으니 되니 타마 타제 제 당아서 gelubala cha시나니 가딘 추바 마잘라마 미세게 다 셰수지 여러분데 인자 아니 프랑스 내슈 가딘 추수르마체 지지 누르 나제 쇼르 쇼니 아니 다리기 니모 제바 니시세 뒤세땡 키베도 난켄데 가딘 추수르마체레스.
So in that meeting, everyone shared together their ideas and came to the conclusion that yes, everybody agreed the importance to have an international day to dedicate it to our lineage, to Dorje Shugden. And so from that, as it is commonly said within the Gelugpa tradition, how the most important position or high lama is the Ganden Tripa. So to Venerable Jedzon Lungren Namgyar Rinpoche, Ganden Trisu Rinpoche, was made a request to choose a day specifically for this international celebration. So in that moment, he chose the day of the 24th of August.
Teni izanda, teni sungchin, da jil nindung jebje ning aranso, zamuli tekale, da jibik, shuden tem ken yonzuk jibik in rinzung rabuchi ke da tsuen chini, teni jeba nishis chini, tangye ke da, gogo da chong chini, eni, jil nindung jebje ni tandaba tu sun rondebe teres. Da inzang, da thoma ni di, su de tenkebe inzang, teni joju chungwa gangche rima chen dam, lama mishe rima chen ju, yangsin, da tenchi, matsu china, tenchi di, inji mini ijali ke, gangche rima chesu tenala ya, teni zangli shuden nima de sungzi shogo ya, dushen da nang tanga yas chin, ne kalo maba nanga yore, nangnu yore, te inzang, ani tari di, ngaransu di, yoro shuden soba minto ne, tela doju piro mambuchi, shotaka ne pe ne, nangdo le ya, zangli shuden nima sa sungzi shue chungba, chashi pe tenru ba di, 제가 조 아니 가딩 좀 봤었나 되니 알아서 가딩 추수로 제제 되니 조 타마 지피엘이야 시제kel라면서 아이디어 땅게데 되니 저지 중앙 강신으로만 치다 라마 미시로만 치 인상 최소 되네래야 then around the lolo and two certain Ruruchinza, yeah, but the Kiao Zambashira in Batam, the Kiao Zamba in, but just a lama number down, Chusu take it to Chikares, Shweti.
So since that moment, that meeting, and later with when Kyabche Chisrambuche chose the date, since 2018, every year on the 24th of August, we have been celebrating our lineage and our protector in the International Dorje Shugden Day. So this celebration has been happening every year, and since then, Drupal Kanchen Rinpoche, Lama Rinpoche have been telling us that it would be very good if we could at any moment celebrate also in Europe and make the European celebration here in Albagnano, that everyone will be always very welcome and so on. So this was said in different occasions. And so today, as we gather here, we are all very happy to be here together with all of you, with all your Vajra brothers and sisters, and at the same time, especially also because who gave the initial input, the initial idea to make such an international day was Drupal Kanchen Rinpoche and Lama Misha Rinpoche. So there is a very special connection with this center and this international day.
Teni zam da zoni shude ni mole nga zukeji mo member to do do da dingezi telia yure shude so bi to ni sikachi shobore tichesu tesu jacha jata ba ne ne se yipe panda rabu de teni nga zu israel ne shu tuwa pege nga zu ramachi yore teni geshe namba yore israel shuke teni nga zu radin shule ni pebe gen onzela yore kuzu panda yes.
So during at that time, who also was here as a testimony that to see all of this, there was also Drupchen Rinpoche present, and also the Unzer from Raptin Churling, again Tenzin Tönsan was also present at that moment.
Teni dita zani shude ni mo de dandewe toni da teni chi shona sanso chidan she da mombu tam cha da teni gansu tisel chembe da ale zani shude dandewe ni mo de dandewe toni ke chi teni chi is.
So this is mainly what I wanted to share with you in regard to this International Day of Dorje Shugden.
Teni dita ngaran sama kyao zambo res teni da kyao zambo chi ani ba tsu rab chi segro ta kyao zambo chi tense ni ba rab de kari isna tari tele nga tisu launch ni namale ji dil ma dong de maten ne she de Europe Shugden soba ge chozo chi ge ming to ne Euro ni be doji bin ro yonzo chap chi she ge bin jeza Euro Shugden soba sit toma country chong me Euro Shugden soba sidile minde 아니 민 차성들이 당된 도지 블럭 유로 슈덴 소바스 민디 타이어 제자 다티 톨이 아니 지가시 쇼보지스.
So as I am here today talking to you, I am actually talking to you in the position as president of the European Dorje Shugden Society, which the actual full name of the organization is the Society that unites the pure commitment, master and disciple of Dorje Shugden.
Teni zanda ngazo tendo dodon rabote nidung jelia jedan kangen chen lo mo chimbrede jin nidung jelia da chöda sansing reoche kangen chibuchi mise chebe insam ko de de teni ngazo yero khaliya ta sane susu ngone ngaran soge pege dembara de chege yores jeza de inde da dembara de chege yorine sane susu ge pege sobarab chujin rogoene mato ngazo chebegen jinzu rabochi zane mebe insam teni lama kanchen machire mi lama misher machini ge jin ni du jia da ba chin ta ten de chi mu da ngang ro so ji pe ge lengi pe le la bo yong ya tao de bo yong ya chama ji pe ge ta le kha de cha su bo yong ya de ma ra de chi do pe ge je bu de chi ba chi ya bu chi de chi bu chi twen ge chi do de nga zu yin ji mi ni da yero ne le ke ge ta yero shu den so ba si ji go gu du si chin de yang to ma che sa ga le lang den nang ken sang zu xie ken si ke du ba xue xue bi na ani zhong wang gang che ro ma chi dang lama mi xie ro ma ji ni cha de yes.
So, since 1995 and so on, there were many difficult moments that all of you know about. And then later there was a specific difficulty that came in 2008, where there was a very clear division. And since that moment, we had here in Europe different groups that were gathering together in order to talk and to bring truth, to give light to the truth. And but there were different activities that were done, somehow separately. So in that moment, especially from Droma Khanchen Rinpoche and also in the presence of Lama Mishe Rinpoche, it was said that we need really to have one united group. We need to unite all of us that have the same objective and the same lineage and so on. We need to unite everyone that is in Europe under one umbrella. So that's when came this idea and this need of having the European Dorje Shugden Society.
다른 알아서 도반자원은 지양 아주 배발 루서진이 지도바 자지시에 벨레시에 지 여러다 배발 로나는 몸부시 여러 어떤지 많이 봤다 알아서 여러 슈딘 소바 콘을 예배다 이절리 게실라 넘버에 로마시 슈어 도지핀도 몸부시 미세 이절리 슈켄게 도지핀도 아주 베리핀다 몸부시 여러 그것도 정말 반달 쓰고 있어.
So this is what I'm saying. It's not just something like saying something nice or showing off in the, as Lekshe is saying, the Tibetan culture. There is somehow some ways of saying things not very directly and mixing things a little bit up between truth and not truth and something like that. This is not what I'm doing. I'm just saying things as they were. And we have many different Vajra brothers and sisters that are living here in Italy, such as Drupchen Rinpoche, Geshe Chanchu Gyaltsen, and others that were present in all these moments.
Last that any da tendo dodon robote chesa tenichini samsu tene long mochim bre. Then also Demba Raja said, Nidun Joson Chinita, the Lenguka Eurocali Casikalia, Lengu Mombuch Pay Chomba Chesa Tindi, the Euro Shugden Sobat Toma, the country's Chons Lavina, Nidu Georgia for the Nazumi Choyomare, Susu Sania Susuliata, Chipeke Soban of Zu mean that not Demba Raja Chido Sania Susu mean retaching. Then the Demba Raja Chibakala, Pension Georgi, Nandon Dro, in a Sania Susugeta. So
until 2018, there were different groups in Europe that were gathering together to celebrate or to have meetings to talk about the actual truth about different things and so on. And but they were connected, but at the same time not under one organization. They were separated, and this was until 2018.
Tenida, Jill Nindo Javelia, Cantus Chonsana, Nazite Viche Sichioro, Titsoba, the Mombuchi Tajinita, Titulang as 7 Jochigo Yorba, Dembara Cheta, Nindo Josam Chin, Mombuchi Chonere, numbers of Tende, the Mombuchi Chere, the you to the Balmombo Yore, just a tat and do it, and Jill Nindo Javelia, turning on the Bail Jin Shuke, then chatting about counting things. Chatting about counting things, then we check Sobas Yoro, Tangazo. The Shijek goes to Mastagati, which is so much Europe. Titsu and dig Emilia and Euro shooting sober starching. Tenderly and Azuko to turn on the Pebachi put the Missanja last in Zuchin. Then it training here, pencil Sansu here, that Marjokata Chitu, the Sansu, the training Mombuch, you would take go to do, then don't they would lay up a Shibuja Tonchin. Jessa, Euro shooting sober Toma, which is sober Zukin, then a Belgian Shukin, charging bar, counting things, say the rest.
So during all these years, especially between 2013 and 2018, there were different meetings, different moments of discussion and so on. And actually within us Tibetans living in Europe in particular, there was a lot of debate going on and discussion and sharing that went in through social media, especially through WeChat. And many different groups were made. Then there is one of our friends living in Belgium called Kam Tenzing from Chatting. He made one WeChat group, which the name was the European Shugden Group. And right away there were more than 300 people inside, and a lot of very positive discussion came out from it. And that's where actually this name initially started.
There is one thing which is about the Chibik Tola, Euronia can Dojipito Yonzoga. Then Jizun Rapchuna Yabo Shubun do some Bakanga, Samba Gasachumbata, Pensu Washibachaya, Pensu Drilling Chia, Don't Debachaya, go to Chomba Yinzam, and it is a Jinjum Maneba Chilling, and so France Lea, the Garden Chuzurumaji, Gonlu Gojuko, get up again, the book, Tenshu Chavarwa, take all the attending, and so Dojipito Mombo Jinzam Chini, Jatu, then Dalang Dabu, the Dadas Chigorwa, we check Dabu, Cherry Bakantinzi Yobache. In a Ji Tinlu the Timbertoni, Jackachi Tinli Shuni, but Jacka Junjile, Deja Shuchin, and so Ting the Timbertoni. They are Chelsea and Rochun Meba, Church of Chau Kona Inzam, and also Demba Raja Chieg Chudu Latini, 다 제거지가 틴도 템버토네 아니 소바지 그거도 쓰시니 그것도 가서 가든 추수로만 식 중간이 뭐 됐더니 마음에 토니 타주셔 봤다 대양 가든 추수로만 칠 두매 전주 나로 쓰시니 타주셔 봤더니 지스.
So later, we all gathered during the 90 years birthday of Ganden Trisur Rinpoche in Paris. And as we gathered there were a lot of our Vajra brothers and sisters that were together normally in these WeChat groups. And then as we gathered there physically, personally, all together, it came out the need not only of having a group to discuss that online, but also we needed to actually institutionalize, make an actual organization in which to organize meetings and gatherings and to share our ideas and to keep our vision pure and so on. So based on all of these needs, we requested the blessings at the time to Ganden Trisur Rinpoche. And then from that, it's when actually the establishment of an actual organization registered and then with known political activity, pure Dharma activity, was established within legally it was established at that time.
제가 데니선자 다 데니마 간주 레가 몸부치요다 소바 스웨기 시도 트레디 몸부치네 다 가든 트즈르마 쇼니 마음에 타지고 토네 다 된도도 타마 아니 프랑스 슌리야 간주 니슈 피제네 데니 단다 여러 슈딘 소바세데 프랑스 슌고 틸루도 테바 토네 소바 차리스.
So at the time we made the registered of this organization within the French government and we got approval. So right now the European Shugden Society, it's a registered organization within the French government.
France Shonlia, Deje Shubek Jela, Trinla Carriers and Tendo Dodo, Euro Shooting Soba said, draw me Totan Soke, Chudin Rawan Sonke, Mato, Chelsea and Rosa and Jichogo Meba. Then Euro Shooting Soba said, Jitsoba Ming Tony, and Benjo Sue, Benjo Duguchi, Benjo Sue, the Choi Meba, Chelsea Tola, Linkson, Pemachopa, Chosho Kona down, draw me Totan Sue, Mato, Shenda Kicho Mebe, Tinder, Jojo Ebe Chadius.
So the establishment of this organization had a very strong connection with Drupal Kanchen Rinpoche, with Lama Misha Rinpoche, and with this center and all the others, lamas and people from here also. And since we have established also within the rules of the French government, one of the things which is very clear for us and has been very clear stated also within the rules of the French government is that us as an organization, we can do all sorts of spiritual and religious activities, especially dedicated in relation to human rights and to freedom of religion and expression. But at the same time, we are completely not doing any sort of activity, and by the rule of the organization and by the French government rule also, we as an organization, we are not allowed to do any sort of activity which has a political objective or a way of just in order for profit or any other type of activity in this direction.
Laso tani ta ngazu soba zu shun denju she choma cha cha de konle ta ngazu yuru shuden soba se de dalang thong mi bi inza minji de yuru shuden soba se yoro dalang wi che mi inza ta ngazu tendo do do tama ta de doji plop yuru shuden soba se mi de ta khen sur se chung bi na tani ngazu kanjen ru che da 아니 베게 가서 저주 공사를 마치 양서를 마치 남바상 로데 취니래야 단단 가서 로데 취니게 온절 티슈도 코너 판다 예바 토니야 라마상 그 귀디치네 다 유로슈데 소바 주에 땡키 사브레 아니 데제쇼 소마 차사베 인자 민지고도 당한주 민데 라마상 남도 취니 뒤뒤치네 되니 당데 도지 블럭 유로슈데 소바스 민데 따게 라마 나바상 예바담 간주 유로슈데 소바가다 소바 민치부여서 레쇼스 지요르바 레쇼들레 레타스 지여베티 양신 르미지 콩라네 테가 데 란소 다 르미지 틸리 야브레도 테사 르미 트린다 그런 거 선수치네 다가랑 아니 레다데 텐디 치오나 야부도스 당데 도지 블럭 여러 슈딘 소바스게 레다데 양신 르미지 테가 도스 트린이 선이 제사 데 선난케데야 아니 양신 르미지는 도나 아니 여러 슈딘 소바스네만도 당데 도지 블럭 여러 슈딘 소바스에 민다게 제자 라마 넘버 산차디스.
So also the name of this organization, once we decided to make a formal organization, the name of the organization, which in a common way we call the European Shugden Society, but which the detailed name, it's the organization that unites pure samaya, masters and disciples, the European Shugden Society. And this name was given together in Rapten Chilling, in a gathering that was there at the same time, the name was given together by Drupal Kanche Rinpoche, by Kyabche Gonsa Rinpoche, and by Yanze Rapten Rinpoche together. They were all together at the same time and they decided together the name. And at that moment was Yanze Rinpoche that has a beautiful calligraphy. He came and he wrote down the name at that moment, which is still used as the letterhead of the organization also.
어때니 인상 당한저 여러 휴대폰 써봐 제서 되는 수고 인상 아니 중앙 강제를 매지 초는다 된지 여부 종송스 당한저 롬몽보는 게 러치부지 제업진이 타만됐더니 오늘전에 당한저 최소하다 다 그투셰베는 라마가다 된지기다 고추네 소바 수고레스 이네 다 만조네 대대바 만조 도주베는 마음에는 지 저런저 그제 그게 도자치지 토네더니 소바 깔레지 소바 쭈투바 대인상더니 중앙 강제를 매지 초네 되니 바 상주여 가보시라 중스다 대리 소바 미에 종버레스 되니 인상 여러 휴대폰 소바리야 다 소바 사바 인상 지 퇴진으로랑 개벽 매바 인상 중앙 강제를 매지 초는 다가랑 태가 여러 동저지 다 러미지 고랑게 지 최소 이탈리 강제 최소 그 첩지는 되니 간소 여러 휴대폰 소바리야 다 현대투스 저주 나버레스.
So in that moment also Drupal Kanche Rinpoche said, all of you have gathered together here in Europe with beautiful intention in order to make an European Shugden society. And today, very auspiciously, 3 lamas together, we gave the name for this organization and it has started. So together within the name of Lama Ganchen Center, I like to give also one financial support. So the first donation for the European Shugden Society of 1,000 euros was given by Lama Ganche Rinpoche also in the very beginning.
되니 다 공개며 지디 몸부터 차두다 던도 도도라부터 다 소바 여러 휴대 소바 종네 근데 턴 동부터 최소 다가랑라 당한지 그들이 아메리칸의 페이지는 저지 최종 조주로만 제 델페 최소 델페 치 다가랑라 쇼 최소 소간 다가랑라야 그들이 아주 여러 휴대 소바 줄에 다 중니는 딘데 그것도 자요래 제가랑 다가랑요 어더니 좀 안에 공다 고데 어더니 좀 되니 당가서 들이야 그것도 가서 줄려나 버딘도 발자요래 대자바 거리에 되니 최소 다가랑라야 아니 저지 저장 조주 좀 줄래 땡슈 제바지 최소 그런 거 저지 요해버래 렌디오래 당가서 들발에 자디 여러 휴대폰 소바 고추니 노지를 하서 치요 말이 제가 띵한테 더바자 바깔이 아니 저장을 맨천래야 그게 최소 원에 강제를 최소 원에 땡쇼 제바지 저리 예부터 카투키버 대인상 중앙 강제를 맨천 간수 밑뒤에 얘기야 당진 샤넬에 깨탄에 가르송에서나 라마 미셔다 난도리에 가르송에서나 산이 저지 저장 조주를 맨천래야 땡쇼 제바지 피에가 저리 차선 years 진다 차선 간수 강진 최소 그 제가 레스 이나양 여러 휴대폰 소바세의 사바츠바 인상 전남발 개강지 요마레스 매번 인상 저지 차선 제시해요 다 최소 그 진다서는 주소 상마 당한진 저지 차선 years 이나양 산이 저지 저장 조주를 못질래 땡쇼 제바 잡아 깝들이야 땡쇼 그 진다데 여러 휴대폰 소바 민데 크로치 캐는 리그레 나라 산차 치고 좀 매처럼서 다리 네버드 쿠고 예스지니
So at the time, a few months after we had established the European Shugden Association Society, Kyabche Trijang Choro Rinpoche came to Europe and was here in Albaniano in this temple, sitting in the throne just here, that we gather all together. And that time, from the 12 members of the board of the European Shugden Association, 7 were present. And there was organized a very big and important long life puja for His Holiness Kyabje Trichan Chodo Rinpoche. So the day before, Drupal Kanchen Rinpoche called us, and as we gathered with him, he said to us, look, you have just established the organization, you are all very new with this, but tomorrow we have prepared everything to do a long life puja dedicated for Kyabje Trichan Chodo Rinpoche. And we did it as a center, all the organization is done, but today, if you like, we could make this puja offered formally from the European Shugden Society. So you don't need to worry about any expenses, about any organization, you don't need to worry about anything. It's just as auspicious for you to be the one mainly offering and so on. So in other words, Rinpoche said, we take care of all the organizations, you come in the front as the one offering.
제가 드니 좀 다데 단도 도도 들이야 드니 니마디 성니려야 저저 최장 추주름 치래 가서 최소들로 다데바 나무 뭐지 요래 어 생각 요래 유도는 제 요래 드니 저저 최장 추주름 치래야 더 대주 제바지 피해고 그거 좀 봤다 그뒤 대주 집에 대주 산다 저저 최장 추주름 치래 제가 땅 바꿔리야 안에 좀 강조로 좀 마페지 가서 줄래 넘버 된리야 드니 단제다 또스 남체네 대리 된도 야부 총수 체남바 sensu 마차바 호다바다 제쇼스 송바담 되니 저장로랑 거니 아주 줄라나 바딘레 대가노시 제다 남제 갈로드네 나송 되니 뭐데 시다베게 간저스 디스 통통 지리야더니 아메리카다 간네트니 코스 디스데 센레샤 간주 더바 니고 슈린데 그게 쇼게레스 이네 간주 렌조스 여러 슈된 소바 민토니 저장 조주름을 땡슈 제바지 피샤 대양 이탈리 강진 최소는 피부 인상 가부시다 중 여러 슈된 소발 자자자다바 저저 US 치니 아니 카나다다 아메리카 좀 줘버렸어.
So during the next day, there was the long life puja, which was very beautiful and successful. During the puja, in the moment of offering the kata to Kyabje Trichan Chodo Rinpoche, at the time Lama Ganchen Rinpoche called us, the 7 representatives from the European Shugden Society, and we gave a special moment to give the kata in the name of our newborn organization. And then also at the time Kyabje Trichan Rinpoche gave us special kata, and both from the side of Drupal Kanchen Rinpoche and after from the side of His Holiness Kyabje Trichan Chodo Rinpoche gave also special words of advice, telling us to keep up our morals and to dedicate with full heart to our cause. And that was, even though we were here in the early afternoon, and the same day there were also some of our friends from Canada and United States that were also watching live on the YouTube the Long Life Puja, and they understood that it was offered by the European Shugden Society, which was newly born. And they were all very happy, so we received calls and messages from Canada and United States saying from the side of many different people, we are very happy about what you are doing. You all have our full support.
되네 대단 제외 돈에 그뒤 다가랑리에 되는 거라서台湾다 소台湾제 말레이시아에 되는 세르면 제게 다 기초 되니까 유럽시된 소바 뭐 수토바데 가버시라 총서 그뒤 다가랑리야 아니 간솔로 the judge number judge naik pe number of ten shebatos jobata teni pe ne ngaron so minju shiri soba minto ni tenga zu ti tanda pe ke pe ne la pe jin le shu ke chating ba pema chenze ro pema ge jense ju che ni ani minju shiri soba kusap che ni ngazu jule na ba den li ya chogan daga ran li ya 아니 가서는 제다요 전이 되니 대 민주시럽 소박이 저런서로 저저여 세고도 여러 슈된 소박겠다 강에라 만세바 집에 내가지디 강에 책을 쳐서 생슈 마셔고 토내더니 호다바다 저러나스지니 다 저저가 남바티 소관 다가랑 중바다 변에 라마 토된 부부를 미치니 그되디 변에야 너주 슈된 땡게 소바 ngaju 아니 유스 소바 ngaju 아니 그 conceptene 되니 여러 슈된 소바도 주투바 가부시라 중 대양 아니 지 라마 강제르면 최소 될래야 저저 천여르면 첼래야 다리 댄슈트는 다 피치는 제고들은 종샤 가버시다 종 자자자다 저저 예스치니 다 간데 두스 안술래 저저가 남바도 종 브레스 버네.
So that day also it was very auspicious. Here in this same temple we received also the full support from Tsem Rinpoche's organization in Malaysia, and also from the Manjushri Association of the Practitioners of the Shugden in Nepal, and also from Tibet. Thupten Purpo Rinpoche also contacted us as we were here, saying that on the behalf of the 52 organizations of Dorje Shugden practitioners in Tibet, they had all their best wishes and their congratulations for the creation of the European Shugden Society.
Teni izanda tanto dodo dele cheza ta Europe Shugden soba minto ni teni kopti dini chene Europe Shugden soba tsune chene teni zangli yonsu nebe Dorje Pindro mambu chige teni soma dozo chiju yunwe miyu te toni nganzu le jojo mambu na yore kalo langde mambu na yore ta mise chuzo taga rangle ta nreo yobete ta kunlun junze panda drone te tsikashi chu shuyo cheza ta kanji chuzo siya yarwa teni lama Michel sobe chige teni teyang kanji rumi chege chuzo teni nebeki Dorje Pindro sama ke nganzu Europe Shugden soba le tanda pado jojo nangde yore teyang 아론스다 제레 피겔리아 덴바라드제 랭규 텐카시지 페이지 중어 디컬리나야 텐지거로나 까드쳐버 셔버 최소 되겠다 강진으로 민토 나요레스.
So during all since that time we have received very auspicious gifts and very special support from Drupal Kanchen Rinpoche and from Kanchen Chopeling Center, from Rinpoche, Lama Ganchen Rinpoche Center, has always given us a very strong support during all these years, and especially at the time here, we received support from all the different practitioners of different parts of the world.
최소 뒤폴로 많이 베게 된가론서 베게 베리핀도 초바스 지요로 제자 대 소말이야 다 다리 도주 슈데게 니모 된가서 될 소마 루루진 장디 요레 대토는 다 내가 몸부시 지요레 될 트래디시야 노자 저야 모터게 잘라예 모오예 민낭토는 뭐예래 마오예 영수 초바데 다 게데 베게 셰지네 다 칼레 제켄다 나로서 이탈리 쇼켄 도주 핀로 베게 베리핀도 초바스 차디여디 이루슈덴 초바 민토네
So as we gather here today, also myself, I just chose to say a few words to tell a little bit to you the background, historic background of this day that we gather here, and the special relation that we have with this Dharma Center also. And so also as on behalf of the European Shugden Society, as president, I like also to express my deepest gratitude to all the organization that was done for this meeting today, from the part of organizing the cars and organizing the food and organizing the places to stay and all of this. It was all done by our Vajra brothers and sisters living in Italy. So I am profoundly grateful for all the work and support that you have been given to us this time.
아니 당하나지 당한테 최소들이야 간절히 디오레 다다리 간조 페이지 베버지부터 잘 하지 용백게 레부도 소모돈 도나 Tini tari toba le chini ngaran soma tos nangdo haha chinita, sempa chibu chinita, zangli janyo shukden nimo siya da sungzi shuya gogo rabar chesa ti, gogo di tomo chungtang kandri yime dan chi, ta nama linji nuli ya chi, chansu sangzi chi, sika chi ta tingal shuya re, teni inzan ta, teni ta lamar mishirama chi zo chebe ni, chuso ki, ta gitu namba tsama ta nga zo ki chi shela re, desa re, ta kanjin teni, ta tari mombo chi chigu yaro chesa, tozu soma, So
at this time, as we gather here, we are more than 100 Tibetans, lay people coming from different parts of Europe. There are many venerable monks and lamas also here and so on. And as we gather here these days to make our special celebration with a lot of joy, especially also from Lama Misha Rinpoche and everyone from this Dharma Center, all the disciples and friends, everyone together have really done the best welcoming and taking care of a lot of aspects regarding the organization and so on. So on the behalf of all of us, I would like deeply to manifest my gratitude and say thank you for the organization also.
다 간절히 쉬어서 들려야더니 장리 슈된 니모스 세야드 마음 보이나야 양의 양도더니 다 집게 루루진의 땅 투에게 다 레와담 되니 다리 고고 대주인이 땅 안에서 장리 용서네베 너주빈도 참말이야 제서 쉬어야돼 아니 참마게 뒤는 도저 찌직 토네 안에서 대타 마시 받돌했더니 두칼에 남도 잡지네더니 어두스 나로나서 닌 도지 슈딩 니모데 다체서 토마 난게 쓰이면 토마 상처 뜬게 쓰이면 돼 나머서 그 마제베 토네 진나고에 지담 마음바에나 가라 사마 tenlo doza chiti chepe tone ta lengyu kandi chi pepe ne pensu ta pensu choman rewa chi chi ne ni mame ki tone tachu chi ya tenyang yuru shuden soba mingi tone tenga peche doju pinro mambu chi ki ta kala longde mamba na yore tele ya tari ngas Italy kanchen chuso le ya teni lama gishi ta tribu mambu chi pendi yore te gewa shimba sang chi manche ba mambu ye sang namba soga chang yuru shuden soba digi chi do maung bali ya ca subo yongya dang chi tende ki chi yona 상수 잡을 여나 나저 너스 돈도 돈토는 깔랑데 나 여나 너로나 제시랑 예스 쉐티.
So also, as on the behalf of the President of the European Shugden Society, I just wanted to share with you a little bit of the history of this moment, of this day, and especially request to all of you also never to forget who had the initial initiative and ideas of the creation of this International Dorje Shugden Day. And then also, I wish that is a wish and a request also for the Lama Ganchen Rinpoche Center that we can gather here again and again to celebrate the International Dorje Shugden Day. And I like to give also my respect to all the lamas and geshes and venerable monks that have come from different places at this time here, and request to all of you that are here present that please, if you have any particular idea or anything like some positive idea or comment on how we can develop better the European Shugden Society and so on, as we are here, we meet directly in person, please, I'm very open to receive and to share together all sorts of ideas.
Oh yeah, teni da teni thama dele teni da zangli shuden nemo dele ja to zangli yongsu ne be doju bi ro chama le changzhu xue dam teni zangli yongsu ne be peri pen da yangzo le ya 이자리 강제로 최소네 교바라니 유럽 슈덴 소바기 센토네 상지 자기 될 호지인 자리 쉐드 유외그래요 가리차.
So as a conclusion, I would like to manifest my deepest, warmest greetings to all the Dorje Shugden practitioners in here present and all around the world that are celebrating today, and dedicate all our effort and energy especially for world peace. And thank you very much.
그렇죠.